Hey there, I'm Chris, and welcome to my channel, the channel where we turn your software ideas into profitable SaaS businesses requiring little or no software code. That's right, you're in the right place if you want to build money-making software, but think coding is some kind of black magic. Spoiler alert, it's not. Here's the deal, it's 2025 and the game has changed. Low-code and no-code platforms are here. Automation tools are more powerful than ever, and AI is your ultimate secret weapon. Whether you're a solopreneur, side hustler, or business owner looking for an edge, this channel is all about giving you the tools and frameworks and confidence to create profitable software. I'll be dropping videos packed with step-by-step tutorials, deep dives into the best low-code, no-code, and AI tools, and real-world case studies to show you what's possible. You'll learn how to automate workflows, leverage AI to supercharge your products, and most importantly, create software that pays the bills and then some. And just so you know, I'm not just here to talk the talk. I've been building SaaS products, teaching automation, and helping businesses use AI to save time and make money for years. Trust me, I've been where you are, staring at a blank screen full of ideas and not sure where to start. This channel is all about changing that. By the end of your journey here, you'll have the knowledge and tools to launch your own software business, whether it's an AI-powered app, a niche automation tool, or a SaaS business that solves real-world problems. So if you're ready to build, learn, and profit with AI, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's make this year the year that you build your SaaS empire. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating, and as always, stay profitable.